This is what they teach you in school. They teach you to not like subdue to like peer pressure.
Oh well, too bad.
Why
This
you
is
keep
family
going to
pressure.
Jeez, what are you doing? Play it, go.
Okay. Riker, do the Jack Sparrow.
Thank you.
I got a song for Rocky. I actually stole this from Rocky, but check this out.
I said this was so awesome.
I can't remember. Do you know how to play it? I forgot how to play it.
I'm the real.
Yeah. Yes. Touch me loud. What?
See what I'm saying?
That's why he's my best friend.
Can you guys hear that? Yeah, she's back in the atmosphere. Trust Jupiter in her head.
I'm getting goosebumps. Yeah, but booty though.
Acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that it's time to change. I don't know if I know this part, but tell me, did the wind sweep you off? I think that's what it is. Finally get the chance to dance with all the light of day. I don't know. Back to the Milky Way.